This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to hide your Facebook friends list. To begin, navigate to your personal profile page. Look for the Friends tab, which is usually located just below your main cover photo. Once you find it, click on this tab to proceed. Next, you will see a small pencil icon or an option labeled Edit Privacy. Select this to open your privacy settings for the friends list. This initial step is quick and straightforward, taking only a few moments to complete. After clicking Edit Privacy, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting several options for who can view your friends list. To make your list completely private, select Only Me. This ensures no one else can see it. If you prefer only your existing Facebook friends to view it, choose the Friends option. For more specific control, you can select Custom, which allows you to include or exclude particular individuals or groups. Choose the option that best suits your privacy needs. The Custom Privacy setting offers a powerful way to fine-tune who sees your friends list. When you select this, you gain granular control. You can specify exactly which individual friends are allowed to view your list, or conversely, which friends are explicitly blocked from seeing it. This flexibility extends to entire friend lists you might have created. It's an excellent option for those who require a more nuanced approach to their social media privacy, giving you complete command over visibility. Once you have made your selection, whether it's Only Me, Friends, or a custom setting, remember to finalize your choice. Look for a button labeled Done or Save Changes and click it to apply your new privacy settings. Your friends list visibility will be updated instantly. To confirm everything is set as you intended, you can view your own profile as another user. This simple verification step ensures your privacy preferences are correctly implemented, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.